Meaning of equitation.
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 Equitation. Equitation refers to the art or practice of horse riding in horseback-mounted sports. It encompasses a range of activities such as horse racing, show jumping, dressage, and polo. Equitation requires skill, strength, balance, and coordination to communicate effectively with the horse through body language and subtle cues. Riders must also be able to control their emotions and maintain focus during high-pressure competitions. Successful equitation requires a mutual understanding between the rider and horse, resulting in a beautiful and fluid partnership that is both mesmerizing to watch and exhilarating to experience.